Hello. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So my voice is audible. Am I
Yes,
audible?
ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday we dealt with the use of a and the. So all of you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. What will you use here?
An
Ma'am, done.
MBA.
Hmm?
An
An MBA.
MBA.
Okay.
Ma'am,
But
and.
yes, pronunciation does not begin with m. It begins with m. A. Okay. So this you have to keep in mind whenever you are using a or and, that you have to see the sound and not the word. You know, in English there are 5 vowels. All of you know
Yes,
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
ma'am.
But how many vowel
Yes.
sounds are there? There are 20 vowel sounds. So vowels are only 5, but from that vowel there are 20 sounds. Long sound, uh, a long vowel sound, short vowel sound, like in bit. So bit, there is the short sound, but if beat, then there is a long vowel sound. So uh, sounds and letters, you have to remember the difference between.
Ma'am,
uh,
मैम had के बाद taking लगेगा कि taken?
had के बाद taken लगेगा, ई एन वाला. has, have, had, ये तीनों जो है, has, have, had, with all has, have, had, you use the V3, past participle. V3 is also called the past participle. Of course had been plus ing भी लगता है, लेकिन अगर वर्ब फॉर्म्स को देखें तो हैव के साथ, हैव, हैज और हैड के साथ हमेशा V3 ही लगता है. ओके. Have you come across this word?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will you use here?
Ma'am,
मैम यहाँ तो
oh,
an होगा, air होता है.
So here you'll use an. It is pronounced as heir. She is an heir to her father's property. And heir means one
युवराज.
who inherits the property. लीगली जिसको कोई प्रॉपर्टी मिलता है उसको एयर कहते हैं. और यहाँ भी एच साइलेंट है. Here also the H is not pronounced. You pronounce it as air. Hmm? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then we will move to our quantifiers, use of quantifiers. Hmm? Just, uh, much, some, and much, some, little are used for uncountables. Okay. Uh, like, give example.
Some of my work is done.
some of my work is done. You know,
He
some
has much of money to keep her heart and soul together.
I thank you very much.
okay. Vishakha, you wanted to say something?
Ma'am, he has much money to keep her heart and soul together.
Okay, he has much money. You know, money is treated as uncountable in English. Huh? He has much money. So then, little. There is little water in the glass.
There is little amount of water in glass.
Water in the glass. So, uh, some and little and much are used for uncountables. Much when the amount is lot, and little when the amount is less. Okay. Then many.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम पर एक सेंटेंस है ही हैज मच मनी टू कीप हर हार्ट एंड सोल टुगेदर, तो मैम इसमें तो मैम कम का बात बताया जा रहा है ना कि बस उसके पास इतना ही मनी था ताकि वो अपना आत्मा और शरीर को एक साथ रख सके।
नहीं, कम नहीं है. मच का मतलब ही इनफ.
मैम वो जो सेंटेंस बोल रही है उसमें एनफ यूज होना चाहिए।
हाँ, उतना है, काफी मनी है उसके पास. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अच्छा खासा पैसा है जिससे वो अपना. Much means lot in amount, and little is used for lesser amount. Okay.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, can you please scroll the screen up?
Screen.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So much, some, little are used for uncountables. Some is common. Some can be used for both countable and uncountable. Some students are standing in the ground. ये भी हम बोलते हैं. तो some is common. So many, uh, several, few, some are used for countables. Okay. Example. Several से एक example दो.
Several notebooks are lying on the table.
Okay, several are lying on the table. Okay. Then few. Anurag
There
Kumar.
are few birds on the tree.
Anurag, can you hear me? Anurag,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
give an example with few. How few is used in countable? Few के साथ एक countable noun use करो.
Ma'am, he has few book to read. Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, he has few book to read.
Wait, let Anurag answer. Anurag. Hello.
Ma'am, there are a few cars on the roads
Yes.
after midnight.
Yes, there are few cars on the road. Very good, Anurag. After midnight. ठीक है. तो then
Many people have joined the procession.
okay, many people have joined the procession. Okay, so You have to remember. You have to remember much, little, some, much, little, some used for uncountables, and many, several, few, sums. This is common. Some is common.
Some books are lying on table.
Yes, some you can use both for countable and uncountable. There is some water in the glass. There is some oil in the jar. Uh, uh, some students are standing in the playground. So some is common. It can be used for both countable and uncountable. But certain words you have to remember that can be used only in countables, and certain words only in uncountables, like much, little. You can be used only in uncountables. Much when the amount of uncountable is lot, and little when it is less. Then many, several, few, uh, and some are used for countables. So examples, these are all examples. Okay, so then any any is used in negative sentences. We have not written an example with some students are standing. So any is usually used in negative sentences. uh, there example, there isn't any sugar in the jar.
Ma'am, I will not see him anymore.
uh, in the jar. I will not see him anymore.
The poor don't have any food to eat.
Yes, the poor don't have.
You have to wear any type of mask.
क्या विशाखा बोलो? Vishakha, you want to say?
You have to wear any type of mask, whatever you want.
Vishakha, your voice is not clear. Uh, it's breaking. Okay. So any is used for usually in
Ma'am,
negative. बोलो.
I get nothing. Ma'am, I didn't get any nice present in Christmas.
Yes, I didn't get.
Any nice presents in Christmas.
Didn't get any nice presents in Christmas.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है
बोलो आशीष.
मैम देयर इज समवन स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड द डोर, यहाँ पे समवन यूज होगा या एनीवन यूज होगा?
There is someone use होगा. अगर isn't रहता, there isn't रहता, तब तुम anyone यूज कर सकते थे. वहां नेगेटिव है ना. नेगेटिव जो वर्ड होता है उसके साथ एनी ज्यादा सुटेबल है. तो there isn't someone is not right. There isn't anyone standing outside the door is the correct answer. Okay. So didn't get any nice presents in Christmas. Then we come to the distributives. Distributives may each, every, either, neither. So what is the meaning of either? Either means
Any
any
of the
of the
two.
two. Any of the two.
Two.
So, like either of the sisters, either of the, example, either of the sisters have won the prize. Means you don't know exactly, लेकिन दोनों में से कोई बहन को प्राइज मिला है.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am, are you
bolo.
ma'am, you have either roti or chicken.
Yes, you will you क्या
You
बोले?
have either, ma'am, you have either roti or chicken.
Okay, you have either roti or chicken. It means what do you want to eat? Either roti or chicken. So either is also used with or together, but it can be used separately also. either जो है हम अलग से सिर्फ इधर भी यूज कर सकते हैं और उसको और के साथ जोड़कर भी यूज कर सकते हैं इन कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस. There are some so either or when you are using either or, then it becomes a conjunction. uh, it is used to join sentences, but either can be used separately also. uh, okay, so either means any of the two. Hmm?
Either Mohan or Sohan go to the market.
Yes, either Mohan or Sohan will go to the market.
Excuse me, ma'am.
uh, but here it has become a connector. Hmm? Here it is used as a connector. So you have to give an example of a sentence where either is used separately, not as a connector. Like either of the girls uh, have done this. Mm, okay. Yes, Rita,
Mm,
you wanted to say something?
yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask, uh, ma'am, the subject verb agreement with either in any sentence, ma'am.
Yes, yes. When two subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the second subject.
Okay.
Either or के साथ जो जैसे कि either the boy or his brothers. So our second subject is brothers. So you will
Hmm.
use have. Similarly with neither nor also. So when you are joining two subjects with either or, neither nor, then you
Ma'am,
use uh,
ma'am,
Oh, ma'am.
uh,
either,
mm.
ma'am, either Ram or Shyam won the match.
Yes, either Ram or Shyam won the match. Here it is in the past tense, so you can, there is no
मैम लेकिन जब इधर अकेले यूज होगा जैसे ईदर ऑफ द सिस्टर्स तो मैम वहां पे कैसे होता है अग्रीमेंट
प्रेजेंट ये सिंगुलर होता है.
तो मैम ईदर ऑफ द सिस्टर्स हैव होगा या हैज होगा
अच्छा, हाँ सही, हाँ हैज होगा, हाँ सही बोली. Oh, I missed this point. Yes, each, every, either, neither. Whenever these words are used, then you have to use a singular each, every, either, neither. Okay. Okay. So either means any of the two. Yes. Okay. Neither means none of the two. Okay. Neither means none of the
Neither
two.
of the brothers has enjoyed the movie.
Okay. Neither of the brothers.
Has enjoyed the movie.
neither of the sisters are studious
Neither of the sisters is studious.
yes ma'am
Ma'am, its pronunciation is neither or neither.
You can pronounce it in both ways. एक देखो American pronunciation है, that is neither, but standard English pronunciation is neither.
Neither.
Neither of the sisters
Neither of them were looking for a book.
has come. Means none of the sisters has come. Okay.
Ma'am, neither of them was looking for a maid.
Yes, neither of them was looking for a maid. So this also you have to remember, that which either or neither, even when the subject is plural, you have to use a singular verb. Because either itself makes the sentence singular, makes the subject singular. So with either neither, even if the verb even if there is a plural subject, even if there is a plural subject, but if there is either or neither in the sentence, then the verb becomes singular.
Singular.
And that is the case with each and every also.
Hmm.
Each means all the
Every
members.
matlab, each of the children is good at heart.
Each of the children is good at
Good
heart.
at heart.
So each and every both means all the members, but each is used either for two persons. Each is mostly used for two persons and small groups.
Ma'am, there is one for each of you.
Yes, there is one for each of you. Like each of the two boys, each of the two boys, each of the two boys has done the homework.
मैम ईच सिर्फ लिविंग्स के लिए यूज हो सकता है या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए भी?
नहीं, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है.
Each of the members of family
Each
went
of
to
the
the
books,
temple.
each of the books is very interesting. नॉन लिविंग के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. Each of the boys.
Each
लेकिन
of the
जहाँ
members
दो
of
लोग,
family
जहाँ दो
went to
लोग
the
होते हैं
temple.
वहाँ सिर्फ ईच होता है. वहाँ तुम एवरी नहीं लगा सकते हो. ईच और एवरी कभी कभी सब्स्टिट्यूट हम कर सकते हैं, बट when there are two persons, then you cannot use every. Each of the two boys has done the work. Here you cannot use every. Every citizen must do his duty. Every citizen is aware of the rules. Aware of
Every citizen is entitled to vote in the elections.
Yes, every citizen. So every, here it means a big group. So normally for big groups we use every. When there are two persons involved, then you can use only each. There you cannot use every. Every citizen above 18 is entitled to vote. Okay.
मैम एवरी सिटीजन इज अवेयर ऑफ दी, क्या लिखे हैं?
Every citizen is aware of the norms. Norms means rule.
Rules.
मैम आई एक्सरसाइज एवरी डे में ये हो सकता है.
नहीं तो वहां तुम दूसरा मीनिंग हो गया ना. एवरी डे मतलब हर दिन हो गया. There it is a different.
Every citizen is bounded to follow traffic rules.
Yes, every citizen is bound to follow traffic rules.
True.
So
The
each
photograph is of every children in the school.
photograph is of every children in the school. This sentence is not grammatically correct. Every children of the school is there in the photograph. You can say it like this. Every child of the school. Okay.
every child in school is obliged to maintain discipline.
Yes, every child in the school is obliged to maintain discipline. So every and each both means all the members of a group, but each is used for sometimes for two persons also. When two persons are involved, then you cannot use every. That you have to remember. Okay. Okay, so now you have understood the determiners. I don't need to discuss this, that, these, those. वो भी डिस्कस कर दें.
No,
Confusion है
ma'am.
कुछ this, that, these, those. So this and that used for plural, singular. Sorry, this, that used for singular.
Similar.
Mm. These and those. These, those used for plural.
Plural.
If something is near, then you use this. This book, तुम्हारे पास book है तो this book, but the house is far away, so that house. Similarly, if something is in
These
plural,
these pizzas are for children.
yes, these pizzas. When there are many pizzas, then these pizzas. And if the pizza is far away, those pizzas. Okay, so. And then I don't need to discuss also the his, her, theirs. So that those are very common words. So let me see. So determiners are clear now. So you write down all the notes in your copy. All the use of much, many, ये much, little, ये याद रखना है. Quantifiers में much, little for uncountables, many, several, few for uncountables, some is common. This you have to remember. Many, several, few for countable, some is common, and any is used in negative sentences. So there are a few things that you have to remember. So, let me see.
Ma'am, today is Tuesday.
So today is Tuesday, so
Ma'am, you
copy.
ma'am, you were about to check the notebooks.
Okay. Actually, the attendance is so thin. Even if I do it, I'll have to do it once again. That is why. Marks to.
Okay.
That is why.
मैम
Hmm. बोलो आकाश.
मैम एक बार
बोलो.
मैम एक बार आइदर का यूज बता दीजिए मैम, नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैम। आप बोल रही हैं कि सिंगुलर मतलब दो आदमी के बीच में, और अगर उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव फॉर्म में लिखना रहता मैम वो कैसे लिखेंगे बिना और लगाए हुए?
बिना और लगाए, जैसे कि either of the students have broken the window pane. सॉरी, ये हमेशा ये हो जाता है. हैज ब्रोकन द विंडो पेन, मतलब इन दो बच्चों में से किसी बच्चे ने विंडो पेन को तोड़ा है. आइदर मतलब या तो दो के बीच या बहुत सारों के बीच कोई. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आकांक्षा, देखो दो
मैम
तरह,
एक और
हाँ
दीजिए
देखो
मैम।
दो तरह से यूज होता है. ये एक इधर ऐसे बता दिए, जैसे कि इधर of the girls has won the competition. दो लड़कियां हैं, अब हम लोग को बोलना है कि दोनों में से किसी ने कंपटीशन को जीता. पता नहीं है कि किसने जीता है, तो हम बोलेंगे कि either of the two girls has won the competition. Either
It's
of
only
girls, या एक ग्रुप है लड़कियों की, दो है तब भी, और या तो एक ग्रुप है लड़कियों की और इन लड़कियों में से किसी एक ने जीता है, मुझे पता नहीं है, then I will say either of these girls has won the competition. Then you use it for joining also. He is either in the house or in the garden. मतलब या तो वो घर में है या गार्डन में है. So you can use it separately, you can use it with or also. He's either in the house or in the garden. You need more examples?
No, ma'am.
Either of the two brothers has qualified in the entrance exam. दोनों में से किसी जो है, दो भाई में से किसी ने क्वालिफाई किया entrance exam. Then it can be used as a connector also for joining. Either Ram or Shyam. Shyam has come. So it can be used both. Okay. Do some else. We'll do prepositions of time today. So does the movie begin? Begin क्या होगा? चलो 5 मिनट इसको करते हैं.
At होगा मैम.
टाइम के पहले at होता है. So does the movie begin at 6:30? No, it will not begin
Until.
until 9. So do not arrive.
Before that.
Before.
Yes.
For that time.
Okay, before that time. He asked me to come
At noon.
at noon. देखो ये याद रखना है, एट नाइट होता है, इन द मॉर्निंग होता है, इन द इवनिंग होता है, लेकिन नाइट के पहले एट लग जाता है. सो दीज आर some points that you should remember. So before noon you will use at, in the afternoon, but at noon. So, okay, yes. At night होता है, ये याद रखना. In the morning, in the evening, but at night. Okay. We will go to Florida.
During.
Ma'am,
During the month.
during the month of January.
Yes, during. Since मतलब से वाला मीनिंग में आ जाता है, तो during. The stores stay open
On
Monday.
Monday.
Ma'am, on Monday.
on Monday
Until
Until.
9.
until.
Until 9 p.m.
Yes, until मतलब तक. Until 9 p.m. Mary has been in the United States
For a
For.
Ma'am,
year.
for a year. For.
For a year.
for
For a year.
John has
Excuse
lived
me,
in.
ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम वहाँ पे a year है. मैम an year होगा या a year होगा?
An year होगा. ये प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. After an year. It's a printing error. Okay. John has lived in France
Ma'am, for.
For.
For 2
Ma'am,
years.
for 2
for
years.
2 years. Yes, for 2 years. I read.
For.
For.
For 3 hours.
Yes, for 3 hours.
From 9 p.m.
From 9
Ma'am,
p.m.
from 9 p.m.
until
12.
12.
until 12 p.m.
Yes. Did you meet Mr. Green?
During
Ma'am,
your stay.
During
ma'am,
your stay.
during your
In
stay in
Savannah.
During.
Savannah.
During means the duration. Okay. No, I did not see him because I was there.
For
For
only
For
2 days.
for only 2 hours.
Yeah.
For only 2 hours.
The train is on time, in time.
on
Ma'am,
time.
on. Ma'am, on
On
time.
time.
On means just in time. In time मतलब समय से बहुत थोड़ा सा पहले. हाँ? So both can be used, but it depends. If you arrive just at the point of time, then it is on time. But if you arrive much before the scheduled time, then it is in time. तो ट्रेन तो
मैम पर ज्यादातर ऑन ही यूज होता है ट्रेन के। मैम ट्रेन इज ऑन टाइम।
हाँ, क्योंकि ट्रेन समय से पहले तो नहीं आती है ना, समय से
यस
पहले,
मैम।
इसीलिए ऑन यूज होता. इट विल अराइव.
मैम इन 3 hours।
Yes, in 3 hours. Is your birthday
Ma'am, in April.
In April.
इन अप्रैल।
in
इन अप्रैल।
In April.
mine is
On April
in
7th.
On
On
April
on.
7.
देखो यहाँ एक डेट जुट गया ना, जब डेट जुट जाएगा तब ऑन हो जाएगा. मंथ, if the along with the month there is a date also, then you have to use on. Okay, so come by on 8.
Ma'am, on 8.
By.
मैम ऑन। मैम ऑन।
नहीं,
Um,
बाय.
by.
8 बजे तक. कम बाय 8 मतलब क्या, 8 बजे तक आ जाना.
हम बाई होगा.
Come by 8. By means before a time. इस समय तक. You studied in the future perfect. I will
Hmm.
complete the work by this time.
Noon.
I will have completed my work. So by all means, of course, one preposition can have multiple uses. Huh? Uh, I came by car. So you can, so here it is preposition of time.